Hello guys, how to take a screenshot in laptop, either Windows 10, either Windows 11. Here in this video, we will discuss in brief. If you want to take a screenshot of the entire screen, you should press print screen key. And in keyboard, you should click on simply print screen and it will take a complete a screenshot of your screen. Next, if you want to take a screenshot of an active window, then press Alt plus print screen. Alt plus print screen. You will take a screenshot of entire active windows. Next, if you want to take a screenshot, you can also use a screenshot app. Various types of a screenshot app is available, and here we will see take a screenshot through Greenshot. Install Greenshot on your system, click on capture region and capture as you wish, as you want, and click on copy to clipboard. Further, it will be saved anywhere you want to save in your Windows system. The next option is snipping tool. You can also take a screenshot through a snipping tool. Type a snipping tool in Windows search, open a snipping tool, click on new and capture the region which you want to take a screenshot. Simply draw and leave, and finally you can save this picture. Click on it, choose save, assign a location, and your screenshot will be saved on desired location. Change file format, thereafter click on save. That's all.